Space, the final frontier. For centuries we've gazed up at the stars, we've dreamed of exploring the cosmos. Now we've taken our first steps. Space stations are our footholds in space. They are testaments to human ingenuity, providing necessities for humans to live and work, outposts for scientific discovery. This is the reality for astronauts aboard the ISS. Life in space is a delicate balancing act. To survive, space stations need to provide a safe and habitable environment for their crews. This means mimicking as closely as possible the conditions we take for granted here on Earth. The most crucial element, air to breathe. Space stations have sophisticated life support systems. These systems constantly replenish oxygen and scrub carbon dioxide from the air. They also regulate temperature and humidity, creating a comfortable living space for astronauts. Water is another precious resource. Space stations collect rainwater and even recycle wastewater to ensure a constant supply. Food, while often freeze-dried or irradiated for preservation, provides necessary nutrients for the crew. But a space station is more than just a lifeboat in the void. It's also a cutting-edge laboratory. Equipped with a vast array of scientific instruments, space stations allow researchers to conduct experiments in microgravity. This unique environment provides insights into physics, biology, and material science that are impossible to obtain on Earth. Imagine a world where gravity's pull is virtually non-existent. This is the reality inside a space station, opening up a universe of scientific possibilities. Experiments here revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos and ourselves. Microgravity's effect on the human body is a key research area. Astronauts experience bone loss and muscle atrophy. Scientists aim to develop countermeasures. These could help people on Earth with similar conditions. Space stations also observe Earth, providing data on climate change and natural disasters. They study distant stars, galaxies, and black holes, unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Section 4. Building in space, from concept to reality. Constructing a space station is a feat of engineering unlike any other. It's a complex ballet of planning, technology, and human daring. There are two primary approaches: sending a complete station into orbit or assembling it piece by piece. Smaller early space stations were often launched in their entirety. This method, while simpler, limits the size and complexity of the station. Larger stations like the International Space Station are assembled in orbit. This modular approach allows for greater flexibility and expansion. Individual modules are launched separately and then connected in space. This requires incredible precision. Astronauts and robotic arms work in tandem to join these massive components, creating a habitable outpost in the void. The assembly process can take years, involving multiple space agencies and commercial partners. It's a testament to international collaboration and the shared dream of expanding our presence in space. Section 5. Space logistics, getting there and back again. Getting to and from a space station is a logistical challenge that rivals the construction itself. It requires powerful rockets, reliable spacecraft, and a delicate dance of orbital mechanics. For decades, space shuttles were the workhorses of space station transportation. These reusable spacecraft ferried astronauts and supplies to and from low Earth orbit. Today, a new generation of spacecraft is taking over this vital role. Private companies like SpaceX and Boeing are developing capsules capable of transporting astronauts to the International Space Station. These commercial partnerships are revolutionizing space travel, making it more affordable and accessible. But it's not just about moving people. Space stations require a constant stream of supplies. Food, water, scientific equipment, and even replacement parts need to be delivered regularly. Cargo spacecraft, both robotic and crewed, play a crucial role in keeping these orbiting outposts operational. Section 6. Conclusion: the future is up there. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, space stations serve as a beacon of human ingenuity and ambition. They are our stepping stones to the stars, our platforms for scientific discovery, and a testament to the power of international collaboration. The future of space stations is bright. New modules and capabilities are constantly being added to the International Space Station. Plans are underway for even larger and more ambitious stations, including those orbiting the Moon and Mars. The lessons learned from these orbiting laboratories will pave the way for future generations to venture further into the cosmos. They will inspire us to reach for the stars. They will